Smoky beef bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers. In 30 minutes we will make this recipe in our air fryer. So let's get into it. It's very easy. 30 minutes will do the job for us. I have smoky hickory smoked beef bacon. I have jalapenos, I have cream cheese, cheddar cheese, sharp taste, and the regular medium. Let's take the jalapeno, slit them from the center. We will empty out inside now. So this is the finish. Repeat the process 8 more times. The empty out right here. You can definitely just use half of the jalapeno, but it ruins the whole, the look of the jalapeno popper. So keep the whole jalapeno. It's much better. For me, emptying out the jalapeno, it's easy with the small vegetable knife. Jalapenos are ready. Let's make the filling now, which will go in the jalapeno. So for that, cream cheese and regular cheese, whatever cheese you like, you can do that. Here goes the sharp cheddar cheese in cream cheese. Goes the medium cheddar as well. 1 teaspoon of red jalapeno garlic. The jalapeno poppers, our delicious cream cheese and regular cheese filling is ready. We'll take this, put in here, just like that. Press it from the top. It has the filling in here. Same. Goes inside. And look at this. 8 beautiful jalapeno poppers are ready. They're looking a little bit messy. Don't worry about it. The bacon gonna cover it up anyway. Let's take our bacon. Delicious. Whenever I deal with the meat, even though it has the flavor, I will give a quick rinse from water. Oh my god, get the smoky bacon. Let's take barbecue. We are giving the flavor. So just rough coat it. 2 tablespoons is enough. So this is the beef bacon in barbecue sauce. How to lock this? We will take a toothpick and just add it in here. So this will be your smoky beef bacon wrap jalapeno popper, and it's straight. After doing this, straight it goes in your air fryer. We have 7 more to go now. Yum. Delicious smoky beef bacon wrapped jalapenos are ready. I have only space for 6 of them right now in my air fryer. So let's cook this. Once you add this beauty in here, you will turn on your air fryer, air crisp. Temperature will be 375 and the time will be 15 minutes. This is 15 minutes later. We have successfully made our delicious smoked beef bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers, and here you go. You can hold this hole. Yes. And let's land it right here. This is now a jalapeno popper, you can say, because it's holding its structure. Easy, simple, homemade. Let's take the jalapeno popper and look Look at this. And this is the inside. Oh my god. And this is the bite. Oh my god. I was about to say, "Fa, this is so good." Beef bacon will do the perfect job for you. The wrap. Instant explosion. Wow. Subscribe, join, hit the bell icon. I'll see you on the next one. Very easy to do. It's so delicious, but it has the kick, jalapeno kick. Best ever.